Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to see if virtualization is enabled in Windows 10 and guide you through the steps so you can check it easily. Step 1. Right-click on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the menu. This opens a window that lets you monitor your system's performance and settings. Step 2. Once Task Manager is open, click on the Performance tab at the top. This tab shows important information about your CPU, memory, and other hardware components. Step 3. From the left panel, click on CPU to view detailed information about your processor. This section is important because virtualization is a feature built into your CPU. Step 4. On the right side, look for virtualization. Here, it will clearly show whether it is enabled or disabled, which tells you if your system can run virtual machines or use certain advanced features. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.